So this is station 1. We are going to put 1 gram of solid sodium chloride in a cup. And so this is our weighing dish. We're going to put 1 gram of sodium chloride. Okay, so we have massed approximately 1 gram of solid sodium chloride. We're going to add in our 20 milliliters of water. So go ahead and we're going to add it onto our mass so that we can take the mass of both the water in the beaker and the solid sodium chloride. All right, and so we've got 62.54 grams before mixing. And now we're going to combine the reactants. So we're going to pour the solid sodium chloride
right here.
Yep, into our water. And here we go. So we're watching our mass. And ideally, interesting, we have to keep our measuring dish on there. And so we've got 62.52 grams. Okay, so we've tared our mass and we wait till it's 0, and we're going to put both our sodium chloride solution and our sodium carbonate solution and our calcium chloride solution. And so those are both measured out to 20 milliliters, and together the mass says 134 we'll go with 57 grams. All right, now we are going to combine the reactants. So we're going to pour one of them into the other. So it doesn't matter. Okay, so we're pouring.
Ooh.
And we see something happening. Oh, interesting. We had 2 colorless liquids or aqueous solutions come together, and we see something happen, and our mass is still about the same. It's still at 134.57 grams. Okay, for station 3, we're going to zero out our scale. We're going to put both solutions on our scale. And we have 128.35 grams of sodium carbonate and acetic acid. And so now what we're going to do is combine the reactants. So we're pouring the sodium carbonate into the acetic acid and take a look at what's going on in the beaker. And we are going to just agitate it a little bit, right? So we want the things to mix, and we see that whenever we move something, it also moves.
I'm gonna agitate it.
And Ms. Benham is going to just make sure that the solutions move.
See all the bubbles.
There's all the bubbles that are forming, and so when we see those bubbles forming, that tells us that a gas is going to be one of the products, and that will be our CO2. So what should be left would be the sodium acetate and water liquid, and we're just going to go ahead and let the CO2 leave our system. And once we feel like our bubbles are gone, which I think will take a while.
Yeah, we're close. That should be about it. Let's see. That's probably good.
Okay. And so what happens is we have about now 128.21 grams.
And it's keeping on going lower.
And it keeps getting lower.
And it'll keep going lower as the bubbles escape.
All right. So just let it keep going. And we're just going to go ahead and stop it here at 128.19.